What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, looking at episode 14, this is a review for Uthando Nes'Thembu. So, we have like a situation whereby all the kids for Musa Mseleku, when they leave school, they all go to Macele's house. So, this is like a huge burden that Macele is actually carrying. You have to like prepare food for all of these kids. You know what I'm saying? And after they leave, you know, the entire place is going to be dirty and it has to be cleaned and stuff. So Macele is like feeling this emotional labor that she is carrying. And unfortunately, she is also feeling that her efforts are not being appreciated by all these other wives. So she then took this matter to Musa Mseleku, and actually like told him that, okay, this is what is happening. On top of this happening, these wives are not appreciating the effort that I'm actually putting in. So, and as you know, Musa Mseleku is like a good and a caring husband, and doing his best that he can when it comes to leadership. He actually like visited each and every one of the wives and informing them about the situation that the matriarch is going through. So what Musa Mseleku was trying to do is like to bring everybody together on the same page. So Musa Mseleku actually first visited Mayeni and actually raised this situation about the children. But Mayeni was having none of it. It's a surprise, you know what I'm saying? Because what I was actually like expecting or hoping was to